Exercise 194. Ready? Start. The Treasury had consented to enlarge the land department. There would be one additional sub-commissioner and 4 assistant sub-commissioners. The Treasury had also sanctioned an additional clerical staff to the number of 11 persons, a matter of great importance and difficulty at the beginning of this work had been the obtaining of suitable land. A great deal of land was expressly excluded by the Act. In some places, there was not enough suitable land for all the applicants, and there were cases in which the only remedy for congestion was the migration of some of the applicants to other parts of Scotland. There were various causes which made rapid progress impossible in the first year, but this would diminish as time went on. He hoped the board would be able to bring into use for smallholders land which now was either not cultivated or not being used to the best advantage. During the past century, a large area of arable cultivation had passed into permanent pasture, and he hoped it would be possible to place many small landholders on land of that kind, a process which would increase the number of men maintained on the soil. As to deer forests, there were 2 cases in which owners had offered to negotiate for a settlement, and there were several other cases in which negotiations were going on. The question of compensation might make the taking of a small piece of land in the middle of a deer forest an extremely costly business. The first report showed that by the end of the year, subject to the decision of the land court, arrangements had been made to provide for 500 applicants, and since then a great deal of work had been done. Many hundreds of cases were in various stages of development. The board were anxious not only to find land for small holdings but also to assist their successful cultivation by giving the holders opportunities of practical instruction and demonstration of learning the best methods of cultivation, of keeping up the quality of their stock, and by encouraging poultry and everything which would make the small holdings profitable. Cooperation amongst smallholders was making satisfactory progress, and the board were at present in communication with the Scottish banks for the purpose of seeing whether they could offer better credit facilities. Stop.